Flexibore for your submersible pump. Make bore water pumping easy. Crusader Hose are the pioneers of the flexible riser in Australia. No need for cumbersome polypipe, which is prone to kinking. Flexibore is compact and easy to handle.
Flexibore 100 is designed for domestic bores and is ideal for solar bore water pumping. Manufactured on state-of-the-art weaving looms using high-tenacity fibers and advanced extrusion techniques, Flexibore is strong, long-lasting, and energy efficient. Its ability to swell under pressure can save up to 15% of your energy bill, which can amount to hundreds of dollars every year.
Flexibore's swell under pressure and dilation characteristics prohibits the buildup of iron bacteria, keeping pumping costs down.
This is a major benefit compared to polypipe. Like cholesterol in the arteries strains your pumping heart, iron bacteria in your polypipe can dramatically restrict the flow and strain your pump, increasing pumping costs over time.
Compactly wound, it can fit into the boot of a car, so is easy to transport and store.
Assemble Flexibore 100 in your workshop. Connect it to the pump and bore cap so it can be lifted into the borehole once on site for quick and easy installation. Only minimum equipment and workforce are required as there are no kinking issues. Need to check on your pump? Flexibore is just as easy to retrieve, like pulling up an anchor rope.
All our hoses are thoroughly tested, giving our resellers confidence to offer Flexibore with their submersible pumps as a total water solution. For every bore, think Flexibore.